Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. Sometimes it's easier just to do a video than it is to write up instructions how to assemble something. So this video is going to be about their repeater rack using a mobile radio. Now this rack does fit the TYT 9000s or the Retevis RT9000, but this may fit other radios. You're going to have to do some checking. Now, I did videos on this rack before. I'll post those links down below, and I will post a link on how you can purchase this rack. Now, before I get into this, if you want to see if your radios will mount in this rack, what you got to do is from the center of the slot to the center of the slot is about 2 inches. So if you measure the center holes on your radio, what I mean by that is, let me grab a radio here. If you measure the center holes from here to here, and they're 2 inches, your radio will fit in this rack if you want to make your mobile radio into a base station, okay? So, you know, if you can measure that, then you'll get your answer. Now, what this will do is, like I just said, this will let you mount one radio or 2 radios. If you're going to use it as a repeater rack, I've done a video how I had 2 radios. I had the TYT 9000s and a Retevis RT9000 in this rack so that you can make a full repeater, or maybe just want one for a base station, whichever way you want to do it. Check your radio bolt spacings to see if your radio will fit. So now when you get this, it's going to be a part. So it's really simple to assemble. There's going to be markings. R for the right side. You find that. Then you find which one is R. Make sure the R's are facing up. And I'll get this in camera view here. And you just slide them together like so. Like that. Now, if you want to put a little bit of super glue on the back side so they don't slide apart, that's up to you. Same with the other side. Obviously, L for the left side. And there's an L on this. And they slide together the same way. Again, if you want to put super glue on the back side after you get together, a little bit of super glue there, that's up to you. There's a mic holder on both sides. I decided to have it on both sides if you want to hang more than, you know, just a mic or whatever. There's a mic holder. Then there will be an option you can select if you want the shelf, and the shelf is basically mounts in here like so. Okay? And that way you can put your Raspberry Pi, your interface board, whatever you want to put on there can go on the shelf. Okay? And there'll be an option if you're going to use a TYT radio or TYT 9000 or the Retevis RT9000, there'll be an option you can select the fan bracket mod, whether you're using one radio or if you're using 2 radios. If you're going to use 2 radios, you would take the radio that's going to be your transmit radio, remove the cover, mount this on here. This bracket will fit an 80 millimeter fan, and that way you can blow it right on the output IC or transistor. I'm not sure what it is in this one, but you can blow right on there to keep it cool. You can do this for one radio, or if you're going to have 2, you only need to do on the transmit radio. There'll be an option to select for that. I'll post links. I did videos about this rack. I'll post links in the description below. Now, I do want to to let you know that the bolts and hardware will not be included. I will put up the sizes on the website, what exactly you need, whether you're going to mount the radios, whether you're going to mount the shelf, or if you're going to mount the fan. I'll put those sizes, what you need. Now, for the radios, I'm going to be putting the sizes that you're going to need for the TYT 9000 or the Retevis RT9000. If you're going to use different radios, you're going to have to take your bolts to the local hardware store and then find out what size you're going to need. But this rack can take other radios. You're just going to have to measure the spacings. The reason why I'm not including the hardware is because I went down to my local hardware store And I got all the bolts that I needed, even for the fan to mount this to the radio, all my bolts. And they were cheap. I don't think I can get them any cheaper, even if I tried to get them. And on top of it all, I got to buy so many bolts to get a reasonable price so I can sell them back to you. It's just not feasible sometimes. Maybe in the future, this will change. But right now, you go to your local hardware store. Mine had all the bolts I needed for this, no problems. So I'll put all the sizes, like I said, on the store there, so you know exactly what you need. But keep in mind, the sizes I'm going to be mentioning for mounting the radio, it's going to be for the Retevis or the Retevis RT9000 or TYT. You're going to have to take one of your bolts out. If you're going to use a different radio, take it down to a local hardware store. You'll know what the length, because you can look at the length that I have on the website. But you're going to have to take that. And then again, make sure if you're going to use a different radio, center to center is 2 inches. That means these slots, let me show you a little bit better here. So that means these slots are 2 inches apart. So make sure that you measure if you're going to try to use these for a different radio. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.